Hi, my friend and dear customer. Today I'm going to show you guys how to check the machine if the machine doesn't have the suction, doesn't have the vacuum, and from the handle pieces. The first thing you have to make sure the machine is already fulfill the water inside the machine. Okay, so now if you find the machine don't have function, firstly you can turn on the machine first. You can turn on the machine, and because this is a new model, you will see this is a beautiful design here. And when you turn on the machine, the first thing you can see this is a two button over here, and there are two silver squid over here. Remember, this is for the vacuum power adjustment button over here, and turning to the maximum. Turn the vacuum to the maximum. This is the first step. And the second step, double check the handle from the handle. Okay, double check the handle. We turn on the machine. The second step, okay, when you're sure the vacuum already turned to the maximum, and now we check the handle. We just go into the system. Because the machine is two handles can working together at the same time, we can just check it one by one. For example, now I just check one. Now you want to check have vacuum or not. The handle one, you can put it to the 4 seconds, and your lead time is 0.2, and then now we can try to test have the vacuum or not. This is the handle pieces. And on the handle, there's a filter over here. Remove the filter, and then turn it on. We have the button. Okay, so now we can turn it on. And this is for the second handle, so we can set up the second handle as well. Put it. And this is time, temperature, everything. Now we turn on one handle. Now it's on, and you can use a finger. Keep holding the finger to hear whether the hole over here has sounds of the suction. You can feel it by the finger. To double check over here, if there is a suction over here. If there's a suction over here or vacuum over here, so that means the machine is working good and have the suction for the handle pieces. If you don't feel anything, keep holding. You will have the feeling of that. Okay, so this is the third step to check the handle whether have suction or not. Just like this. Keep holding, yeah. And also at the same time, you can check whether this is a coating or not. Because actually, when the machine is turning on, but the handle is coming with the coating. You can check the coating at the same time as well, because it's a 360-degree coating. So you can check the coating as well to check the status, to check the working condition for the handle pieces. So this is the third step to check the suction. If you don't find any suction over here, even though you already adjust the vacuum power to the maximum, so it's possible there's a problem for the pond, for the air pond inside. But this is only the third step. We can check. Okay, so this is the third step to check whether they have the suction or not, or whether you need to open the case to check the machine inside or not. So this is the third step. Okay, I'm going to start it first. And also you can check by another way, that is you can change. You can check it one by one. Check it one by one. It's the same thing. You can check it one by one. You can check it one by also this is a handle. We can start it. We can remove the filter. Remember this filter is when you want to do the treatment, remember to put the filter over here. Because the filter is a filter over here. This filter is to protect the pile, is to protect the handle pieces, the dirty things when doing the treatment. This filter is help the handle pieces keep a very clean conditions. So remember, this is also have a filter over here. We just testing. So we can remove the filter to test it. The same way to check the handle have problem or not. Handle apart. Same thing. You will hear the sound, the feeling, okay? The same thing. If no suction, so it's possible it's a handle problem, okay? So we need to double check the handle. If have suction, so you can try it one more time. So this is a check, and other handle is the same thing. And the third thing that is you can do one more last step. The third thing is you can do one more last step. That is you can try to exchange. You can try to exchange the handle pieces. Exchange the handle pieces from machine. And I will show you guys and how to exchange it. And this is the one. Okay, so we can turn off the machine first. We can turn off the machine. For example, if you find the handle A is no suction, but handle B is working, so you can remove the handle A and connect to the handle B to test. For example, A no working, B is working. So you can remove A handle to the B handle connected to check. If when you remove this handle A to the handle B and handle B to handle A, it's working. So that means the handle is no problem. If you remove the handle A to handle B, it still doesn't work. So that means it's a handle problem. So it's very easy to do this step. Just exchange both of them to check the status. It's very easy to understand. If you find everything is fine, the handle is fine, handle is good, and finally, maybe we need to open the case to check the vacuum pump inside. If the handle not work, so that means we need to open the case to check the water pump and working and the water pump inside the learning status. And how to open the case to check the status of the water pump and the air pump, we will show it in the next video. Okay, thank you.